Joining a meeting from a Zoom room is easy. Let's get started. For a Zoom room that is already integrated with your calendar, simply tap your scheduled topic on the meeting list. Then, tap Start to start the meeting. Asked to be in a meeting unexpectedly? To join an existing meeting, tap the Join icon. Enter the meeting ID or enter a personal link name. Tap Join to enter the meeting. If you want to create an instant meeting, select New Meeting. From here, you can invite others by selecting the Invite button or by selecting Participants, then Invite. Joining a meeting from a Zoom room is simple. Go ahead and join a meeting in your Zoom room today.